Hi, Amy. I'm Dr. Erica Cronky. I'm one of the non-surgical orthopedists or primary care sports medicine doctors with TheDacare Orthopedics Plus, and I'm here to help out our runners and active population. The most common question I get is how I can prevent injuries as I'm out being active. And so I have someone here today, Ryan, who's going to help demonstrate 3 exercises. This is going to be a spin-off of 2 additional exercises that were previously presented on your segment. So those 2 exercises and these 3 exercises today will provide people with 5 great exercises that they can do a couple times a week to prevent injury. So the first exercise we're going to have Ryan demonstrate is what's called a sideline leg lift. It's a gluteal or a core strengthening exercise. Now you can do this against a wall or just on your side as well. And Ryan, what I'm going to have you do is lift your top leg straight up and hold that for a 5 to 10 second count. And where you want to be feeling the burn when you're doing this is not on the side of your leg or hip, but rather in the buttock or gluteal area. When people are starting this exercise, they should be doing it on both sides every other day, and I would start with 1 set of 5 to 10 repetitions. And I know this sounds silly, but I usually tell people when you're done, you want to feel a little ache in your butt. You should get up and say, my butt hurts, and then you know that you've gotten enough workout from that exercise. Ryan, what I'm going to ask you to do now is if you lay on your back, I'm going to have him demonstrate a Piriformis Stretch. So if you would cross your right foot over your left knee, and then bring your left knee up towards your chest. And in this, you should feel a stretch in the left buttock and the back of the left thigh. And if you don't feel a stretch there, Ryan, you can actually just use your hand and bring your thigh up a little bit more. Now for this stretch and the next stretch I'm going to demonstrate, people can stretch every day. You want to hold that stretch for about 20 to 30 seconds and then rest. And then you can repeat the stretch 3 to 4 times and again do it for both legs. The last exercise, Ryan, I'll have you stand. Many people will recognize this stretch. For a lot of people, it's a quad stretch. So you can just grab your foot. And if you bring your leg back, you're going to feel this stretch in your quad area. But for this, what I really want you to do is gently push your hip forward. Trying to keep your back about as straight as you can. And you should feel a little additional stretch in through here. And by kicking that hip forward, you're going to stretch out some of the muscles and soft tissues in front of the hip as well.